Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 30. So today video I'm going to be doing twist out using, this is my first time of using a different product to twist my hair, and this product was inspired by a sister of mine here, a friend of mine, called Fantastic Favor. So she's been using this Blue Magic, and I was like, let me try it and see the result, because she's been having a positive result about this Blue Magic. And I saw it at one of the local shop around here, and I decided to get this one. The one I'm going to be using is the one made with green tea leaves, jojoba, aloe vera and sunflower. That is what it's made with. And the next product I'm going to be using to top it up is my homemade shea butter. I'm going to be leaving the link at the description on how to make your own shea butter. And the next product I'm going to be using is Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil on, and my spray bottle because my hair is dry, brush, and I'm going to be using to make sure they tangle my hair. So those are the product I'm going to be using, and let's get into this. So the first thing I'm going to do, this water here is a lukewarm water. It's not cold water because I don't use cold water on my hair. So I'm going to spread the water all over my hair to make the hair damp, because the hair is super dry. So now that I'm done making the hair damp, like, I don't want this hair to be super I don't want to put too much water into it because it's already a dry hair, and I want the hair to dry fast. So because I love my twist out, sometimes not really center parting, I love sometimes to have them by side. So I'm going to go ahead to part this the way I want the twist out to fall, which is by the side. So I'm going to part it the shape I want it to be. So because I don't want to make this twist too big, because I want them to be super defined. Let me see with this Blue Magic. So I'm going to start parting my hair. You don't have to part your hair if you don't feel to, but I just love to do this sometimes. So I'm just going to part the hair. So after parting the hair, I'm just going to start taking them the way I want them. Like I said, I don't want them to be too big. So I'm going to go in first with the Blue Magic. This is the consistency. I don't want to be putting too much on each one, because I don't want to have a lot of build up on my hair. And also I don't want to apply them from the roots of my hair. But the Blue Magic seems good. First attempt, and look at what it's doing to my hair. I have not even applied gel on my hair. So now I'm going to detangle the hair with the brush to make sure that they are well detangled. Wow, the Blue Magic is not bad. So I'm going to now go ahead to apply my homemade shea butter, which I'm going to start from the root, the homemade shea butter. Then I'll walk it down to the tip. So after massaging them in, I'm going to go in with Eco Styler Gel, just a little bit, and apply at the tip of my hair. The reason why I'm applying this gel on the tip of my hair is because I'm trying as much as possible to prevent build-up. This is why I'm doing this. So because the hair is in a little amount, I'm going to go ahead to use this little comb to detangle it, or you can use any one of your choice, as long as it's not going to pull your hair. So after detangling the hair, I'm going to go ahead now to start twisting it.
Take it slow. slow, let's go. Take it slow, cause I did battle you. Take it slow, girl, the way you grind it, the way you move it, make you wanna lose it. If love is a crime, then sue me. Follow me, ma, I'll pursue you. Your swag's right, and I'll feel you. Don't do me, don't just sit there, cause I don't think they down like this square. And baby, you're all I'm thinking about, cause the way you blow my mind. You're all I'm talking about, cause you're always on my mind. You're all I'm thinking about, cause the way you blow my mind. Oh girl, you blow my mind. Oh girl, you blow my mind. Oh, the way you find your waist, me I did battle you. You blow my mind, me I did battle you. The way you take it slow, me I did battle you. Me I did battle you, girl. Me I did battle you. Take it slow, let's go. Take it slow, let's go. Take it slow, let's go. Take it slow, cause I did battle you. The way you wind your waist, me I did battle you. Blow my mind, me I did battle you. The way you take it slow, me I did battle you. Me I did battle you, girl. Me I did battle you. Take it slow, let's go. Take it slow.
So I'm done with this part here, and I'm going to move over to the other part. So I'm going to start off by patting them and spread them because they're a bit dry with water. Then I'm going to go ahead to start applying the whole cream, and now I'm starting off with shea butter first. I apply them on my hair from the root to the tip of my head. Then I will go in with the Blue Magic hair cream. That one I did not apply it on my scalp. Then gel, detangle my hair, and I will continue to twist them. So I'm going to go ahead to twist everything like off camera, then I will bring you back. Okay, so here I'm done twisting all the hair, and this is what it looks like. It's not looking bad at all. So now I'm going to allow them to dry till the following day before I take them down. So yes, and here is the following day, guys. I'm going to be using, you can use any oil of your choice. So I'm just applying I apply the oil on my hand, and I started taking the twist down, and this is super defined, guys. If you're the type that love your hair super defined, this Blue Magic hair cream is very good. It's super defined. So I'm going to go ahead to take all the twists down, then I will bring you back. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, this is the twist. I'm done taking them down, and this is super defined, guys. This Blue Magic hair cream is very good for twist out. So I'm going to pick them all up, and you can style them any way you want to style them, but for me, I always go for volume over the fine twist. So I'm going to go ahead again to separate all the twists to get that volume that I'm looking for. Yes, but if you're the type that don't like volume, you prefer your hair to be well defined, just go ahead and manipulate it and style them the way you want them to be. So here I'm separating the hair. I just want to separate them until I get the particular volume I'm looking for. So yeah, I'm going to bring you back when I'm done separating them. Okay, so here I'm done separating them, and I'm not really going out this evening because I took this twist down in the evening. So I don't want to style them, like look for a style. Just go ahead and give them the style of your choice. But believe me, this Blue Magic, I give it thumbs up. It's very good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. God bless you all, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye.